Here we have a SAP math question. Okay, let's go the information. Hector used a tool called an auger to remove corn from a storage bin at a constant rate. The bin contained 24,000 bushels of corn when Hector began to use the auger. After 5 hours of using the auger, 19,350 bushels of corn remained in the bin. If the auger continues to remove the corn at this rate, what is the total number of hours Hector will have been using the auger when 12,840 bushels of corn remain in the bin? Okay, so when Hector started to remove the corns from the bin, actually there were 24,000 bushels of corn. After 5 hours, there were 19,350 bushels of corn remained. So to find the number of bushels of corn removed by the auger, so we have to find the difference between the initial value 24,000 and the number of bushels of corn remained after 5 hours, 19,350. Let's subtract it when it's 24,000 negative 19,350. So when I subtract 19,350 from 24,000, I'm getting 4,650. So this is the number of bushels of corn removed by the auger in 5 hours. So okay, so if 4,650 bushels of corn are removed in 5 hours, how many bushels of corn will be removed in 1 hour? For that, we have to divide this 4,650 by 5. So when I divide 4,650 by 5, I'm getting 930. That is, the auger removed 930 bushels of corn in 1 hour. But we have to find the total number of hours auger is used to remove the bin. So that will have 12,840 bushels of corn remain in the bin from the initial stage. So for that, we have to find the number of bushels of corn to be removed from this initial value 24,000. So that we'll have 12,840 bushels of corn remain in the bin. For that, we have to subtract this 12,840 from the initial value 24,000. So for that, let me do it. 24,000 negative 12,840. So when I do so, I'm getting 11,116. So we have to remove, the auger has to remove 11,160 bushels of corn from this initial value 24,000. So that I will have 12,840 bushels of corn remain in the bin. Okay, now we have to find the total number of hours taken by Hector to remove this 11,160 bushels of corn from the initial value. So already we know that the rate of removing is 930 bushels of corn in 1 hour. So that to find the time taken to remove this 11,160 bushels of corn from this initial value, so we have to divide this 11,160 by 930. So when I do so, I'm getting 12. That is 12 hours. So Hector will have been using the auger for 12 hours to remove 11,160 bushels from this initial value. So that will have 12,840 bushels of corn remain in the bin. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.